Hello, the communication system I have chosen for this assignment is sign language. And sign language is an augmentative and alternative communication system that gives those with speech limitations the ability to communicate with others by signing and through physical positioning. Sign language comes in many forms and is based on the learner's society and grammar. Sign language is also known as manual language. To communicate through sign language, one must have the access of their hands. Sign language is sometimes used in combination with speech, which is called total language. S- Sign language can be beneficial for children who are deaf, have communication disabilities, or people who are hard of hearing. Sign language can help these groups of people to acquire language skills. Now, some of the pros of sign language is that it is taught visually, it's easily portable, unlike different or other augmentative and alternative communication systems. It doesn't require any access materials, just the person themselves, and then, of course, the person who they are communicating with. Sign language can also be prompted when learning in order to shape the correct formation for items that they're trying to convey. Some kinds of sign language is that people that are stakeholders for the child would have to have the ability to communicate with sign language as well, meaning that if it's not their first language, they have to learn a different language as well. Um, Another kind of sign language is that it depends on the motor dexterity of the signer themselves. If they have a physical limitation, let's say if they have difficulty lifting one arm versus the other, that would be a limitation for them. Then also the fine motor abilities as well. And then also, approximation for signs can only be recognized by that person's sign language partner, meaning that if the child has, let's say, their mother or their ABA tech, but if they go somewhere outside of their usual environment and they have a different sign for, let's say, popcorn, and say they do this, which they would need to do this like this for, well, like this for popcorn. So it will be a disconnect in communication. And another con is that signers could actually utilize the wrong sign for what they are actually requesting, which leads to a disconnect in communication as well. So now I'm going to show two examples of how it is to utilize sign language. One will be attacked, which will basically be teaching an early learner a sign for a ball and water. What is it? You got it, ball. It's a ball. Yeah. All right, let's go again. What is it? Water. You got it. It's water. Awesome, girl. All right. Now, next, I will demonstrate Amand, which is just basically that's going to take place in a natural environment, and it gives an opportunity to request. All right. Woo-hoo. Ball. You got it. That's our ball. Water. Sure. There's your water. All right. All right. And that concludes my presentation. Thank you.